identity shifting, self-improvement, affirmations, meditation, working out, reading, and building a business. These are the things that have changed entirely my life, and I know they can change yours, and I know they can change other people's life. I know how they have changed the lives of my coaching clients. So I do want that for you, and I want you to be able to have this amazing life, man. Just stop being a loser. I know because I was one. So get started, man. You can actually let me cross the street real quick. You can actually improve so much. So get started. Um yeah, I just remembered another video I want to shoot that is about timetables, how to build them, how to go about it, and all that kind of stuff. But bro, I literally can't believe people live their lives without fucking timetable. It's like living your life on NPC mode without knowing what the fuck you're going to do, falling for your own base, base desires basically, instead of actually building something you want to build, something you want to actually get in place for yourself. And these are the kind of things that take a long time. So you need to have a long-term vision for yourself. You need to go about it in a certain way. Fuck, I feel really weird in the streets right now, like recording myself, speaking to the camera, and all that kind of stuff. A lot of people are kind of looking at me weird, but fuck that shit. I don't give a fuck. I'll just keep doing this because I want to bring you value. I want to help you out, and I want to build something that is just worthy, man. That can actually improve people's lives, like some other videos improved my life and changed it entirely. Hell, even Hamza's videos, for example, they literally saved my fucking life. I had been depressed for years, and man, in 2 fucking weeks, just taking action, following step by step a self-improvement routine that I have built for myself with the advice and building my timetable. Since then, I have spent 3 years, 3 years, never went back, never got depressed again, never got to live that kind of life again, never stopped having timetables, and they have done so much for my life. So I just can't believe somebody can improve their lives without one, which they can. They actually can implement. They can implement in their lives good habits and stick to them without the necessity of having a timetable. Yeah, that can certainly happen. But I'm telling you, the best way to stick to those good habits is with the timetable, knowing exactly what you must do every single day and how to stick to those habits. Also, like I have said before, Identity shifting is really powerful. Leverage affirmations. If you want to learn about it more, I got this identity shifting for beginners Notion template. Scroll down to the description, jump right into it. It's for free. Don't worry about it. I got you, dog. So this is the thing. Fuck, I actually don't really have a lot more to say, to be honest. Now that I remember, and also battery is really low. I'm on 10% of battery right now, so my phone is probably going to die. I just try to record my last video, and I'll see you in the next one, which is right now.